Welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem that can occur when working with pandas in Python. The issue at hand involves importing a data frame from a JSON file and encountering unexpected results due to the presence of underscores in the data. This problem can lead to incorrect parsing of values, causing frustration for users trying to work with their data. Now, let's delve into the solution to this problem. By explicitly specifying the data type as a string when reading the JSON file using the Pandas library, we can ensure that the underscores in the data are treated as part of the string and not misinterpreted as separators for numerical values. This simple adjustment can prevent the unwanted conversion of values and preserve the integrity of the original data. Building on the previous solution, another way to address this issue is by selectively specifying the data type for the problematic column containing underscores. By providing the type parameter with a dictionary mapping the column name to the desired data type, in this case, str for string, we can maintain the correct representation of the values in that column while allowing pandas to infer the data types for the rest of the data frame. This targeted approach offers a flexible solution to the underscore parsing problem. Expanding on the solution further, we can see the desired output data frame where the values with underscores are correctly preserved as strings. By specifying the data type of the var1 column as str during the import process, we ensure that pandas interprets these values as strings without any unwanted conversion. This final step solidifies the resolution to the underscore parsing issue and allows users to work with their data accurately. In summary, by understanding the nuances of data types and how pandas processes values during import, we can overcome the challenge posed by underscores in data frame columns. Remember to specify the data type as a string when reading JSON files containing such values, or selectively define the data type for specific columns to maintain the integrity of your data. I hope this video has been helpful in addressing this common issue. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your own data parsing woes. We're here to help.